700 grams of shrimps, and then spreadable butter, evaporated milk, garlic, salted egg from the Philippines, and then lemon, canola oil, Himalayan salt, pepper, corn flour, normal egg, 3 pieces of chili, sugar. We will separate the egg white from the egg yolk, but you have to save the egg yolk for later. And don't forget to wash your hands. So here's the separated egg yolk for later, for the sauce. Whisk the egg white. Then put the shrimps, coat the shrimps with the egg whites. This is okay, so coat the shrimps with the egg white evenly. This video is dedicated to my good friend Amin, who loves this dish. Amin, shout out to you. You watch this video, yeah? So, next is corn flour. You have to mix it with the shrimps. That's 2 tablespoons for the 700 gram shrimp. Now it's frying time. You add canola oil. So heat the oil and then deep fry the shrimp. Do this until you finish all the shrimps. Now comes the salted egg sauce. Put canola oil, just a small amount. And then add butter. This is around 30 grams. And then mix it until it's all melted. And then add the garlic, chopped garlic. Mix thoroughly and then add the chopped chilies. And then for the Himalayan sauce, just enough, not the whole pack. And then crushed pepper. Then add some lemon zest. This is substitute for the curry leaf, so we did not find that one. And then add this evaporated milk. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then you add this steamed egg yolk from the salted egg. This is the 6 salted egg, yeah. Sorry, 4 only. And then this is the normal egg yolk. Mix thoroughly. And then cook it for about 3 minutes. And then add the shrimps. Make sure to evenly mix the sauce onto the shrimps. Let's eat! Salted egg shrimps.
I'll taste it, baby.
Wait. Tama naman parang yung restaurant.
Ah?
Kami
Masarap?
Oo naman.
That's good.
Sarap.
That's good. You like it.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.